Home Remedies presents only few drops of this syrup on the bald spots of your scalp will regrow your hair. It works like magic. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video I will tell you how to prepare a natural serum which will help you regrow your hair. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. According to experts, baldness affects both men and women, but men are the worst sufferer. In most of the cases, men develop bald patches in which parts of the head like the crown and temples become hairless. Although women do not usually develop bald patches like men. More often, they witness thinning of hair but not completely hairless scalp like that of men. So if you have problem with losing your hair, this serum will help you regrow your hair. It's extra effective because it's made of old herbal oils which have amazing properties to restore your hair follicles and grow your hair on the bald spots again. You will need ingredients: 50 ml of castor oil, 20 ml of organic coconut oil, 10 ml of rosemary essential oil, 5 ml of lavender essential oil, which is optional. How to make it? Put 50 ml of castor oil in a serum drop jar. Dilute it with 20 ml of organic coconut oil. Put the rosemary essential oil and close the jar. Now shake the ingredients to mix them well. You can add 5 ml of lavender essential oil to the mixture, but it's optional. Your hair regrowth serum is ready to use. How to apply? Put a couple of drops to the bald patches of your scalp. Remember to apply it gently with your fingers. Use it 2 to 3 times daily, and in just 2 weeks you will notice the first signs of your hair growing back. Isn't it amazing? If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.